In this tutorial, I'll show you how to bypass blocked websites on school Chromebook. Firstly, click on the time in the bottom right corner of the screen, then select the gear icon to open settings. In the settings menu, scroll down to the network section and click on add connection. Select add built-in VPN and get the necessary VPN details for your VPN provider. Enter this information into the required field, and once everything is entered, click on Connect to establish your VPN connection. Also, you can use a proxy server. Follow the provider's setup instructions, which generally involve entering the proxy server's IP address in the port number, and once set up, the proxy server allows you to bypass website restrictions but without the added encryption that a VPN provides. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.